Hello, we are on Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady, and I am so excited to show you this room. It is so cool. I'm going to push every button, and you're going to see what that's like after this.
Hello, fellow travelers.
Hello.
It's Neil here.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is To Travel and Tour.
The room number has meaning. This tells you what deck it is. This is the room number, and then this is what side of the ship it's on. And we have the little bracelets. So, and here we go. Now, me and Neil have an extra large sea terrace. So that's going to give you kind of an idea what that's like. Of course, standard thermostat. And I think this is the do not disturb and such, but we're going to find out. Let's see what this button does. What do these do? Is it doing anything? Yeah, these are coming on and off. See? Now, I'm going to show you the bathroom. Wait till you see this bathroom. It's really neat. There were some things you really got to, you look and you go, oh, it's a hallway with, look, little hooks. Look. But now, you have the sink. Wait till you see the shower. Show them the shower. And look, it has a rain shower and it has a wand. I love that. Now this area where the toilet is nice sized and private, which I like. A nice getting ready mirror, always good. Now, I'm going to say this. I really like the idea of having the curtains on the cupboard. That way, if they're not shut right in the middle of the night, they don't clank. So I'm thinking this is going to be really nice. There's plenty of room. We do have some hangers. That is a really nice size safe. I'm thinking you might actually be able to fit a standard laptop in there. We got some drawers, all the normal stuff. Oh, what do these do? Ooh. Is that up here? Yes. Up here. And there are USB ports down here and a plug, which is fantastic. And they have these like little nightstands. Now, from what I was told before, these can be made into like a sofa if you want. Now, I don't see Neil and I ever having this made into a sofa. They have these for reading. And over here are more USB ports and another plug. Yeah, the furnishings are different. It isn't what cruisers have come to expect, but it's very functional. It's very clean. I gotta say that, it's very clean. And I like the lines. And so far, I mean, everything looks pretty good. And they do give you a little refrigerator to work with. Now, the essential drinks are included. So, and the balcony is very nice too. I gotta tell you this. When we came in, the curtains opened for us because right over here is a button. Look at that. And the iPad is here, and from what I understand, we can change colors of lights in the room and things like that. I haven't played with that yet, but you know me, I will be playing with that. You get this little screen in your room, and it does control the lights, and there are also different like moods, like, hey, get it on. There's also like photo shoot. And yeah, you just heard the curtains open.
Yeah, you can see that now, but yeah, they just opened.
But every time you press a different one, different things happen. Now we got blue.
Now we got blue.
Well, you get the idea.
Right.
And there's also entertainment options. You can do movies and things like that. And there's services also. So that if you need maintenance or you want laundry done or you know, you need stuff, you can just go right here. So that's nice that they have that available. And it's also, these things are also in your Virgin Voyage app as well. Our hammock is out here as well. Do you want to go out and take a look? Can I get out? Now, be very careful. It's a big step. And here's the hammock. Danielle's going to have to get me out of later. That's going to happen. I'm going to get stuck in it. We just need to accept it. There is the chairs out here. It's a nice sized balcony. I've had bigger balconies. I've had smaller balconies. But everything is super, super clean. And right over here, you'll see the Royal Caribbean, Grandeur of the Seas, a ship that we were on several years ago. Actually had a very nice time. So far, I do want to, because we were just getting on the ship, and I do want to point out that the staff has been absolutely wonderful. Very excited to see you, very animated, smiles everywhere, excitement, joy. It's been, when you come on a Virgin Voyage, you feel like it's a place you want to have fun. So far, that's a way to start my birthday. And I can't wait to see you on the next vlogs.